Hello guys. I welcome you guys to this week market outlook. I'm sincerely sorry for the delay in releasing the market outlook for this week. Had issues with my equipment and also other things that took my time off the chart that made me to release the video very late. So, however, we are also going to review the trade that are currently running and also spot opportunities that are presenting themselves currently in the market. So, I welcome you guys. And also, if you are new to the channel or this is the first time you are watching my video, my name is Henry the Great. Okay, I trade forex. Okay, and I trade using the harmonic pattern strategy. Okay, with the combination of smart money concept. Okay, then we look at general market analysis. Okay, during this live section, during this market outlook, regardless of your strategy, we focus on price action, technical analysis. Okay, so if you are new to the channel and you're watching the video, I would like you to do something for me right now. Please look at that like button, click the like button, like this video. And if you are new, I'll encourage you to subscribe to the channel. You are definitely going to gain a lot of value from this channel, and I promise you that. Okay, so subscribe to the channel, like the video so that other people, so that YouTube can be able to boost the video to people that might be interested to watch and learn what you are enjoying right now. So let's go straight to the point. Okay, now on the chart we have GDP AUD. Now was a fantastic successful trading opportunity we had. That was last week, and you can see that date is that is a this trend established itself on Friday. Okay, when the market was about to close, that was when this trend established itself on Friday, 24th of January. Okay, 2025, right? That was when this trend established itself. Okay, and it was a successful trading opportunity. Unfortunately, I didn't actually partake in this opportunity. Um, this was a valid shark pattern, and if you look at that very well, if you look at that very well, you find out that the from X to A comes around 0.886. This is a complete what? Perfect example of a shark pattern, 0.8 axis of a shark. Now, because of the A to B of a shark is not compulsory, we are not going to measure it, but we want to make sure that the B to C projection or extension of C point, the A to B projection of C point should not exceed 1.618. Okay, should not exceed. In fact, that is actually um perfect example of what a shark. You can see how price tested that 1.618 and we got a confirmation of that extension level and we got a reversal. Okay, and then we also need to make sure that the B to C projection at the D point comes around anything from 1.272 to 1.618 it is actually accurate. But provided that of established that 0.886 and we are getting a reaction from that point, this shark pattern is actually very much what valid. And for our entry, we have a community where we teach these strategies, but you can as well learn from this live session. But if you really want to go in depth and learn this strategy very well, you can join our community. You're highly welcome. Look below, you will see a link to sign up. Check through our website. If it's something you can afford, you can as well join us. We can't even wait to see you in the members area. Okay, so once price gets to 0.886, we start looking out for our entry. That is just the most important thing. You start looking out for your what? For your entry. Okay. And it was a successful trading opportunity. It was a very successful trading opportunity. We achieved, in fact, I think we even went ahead to achieve 0.786. Um, Price should be at this should be 0.786 or 0.618 from C to D leg. The take profit level. Perfect. This is what? 0.786. So it was a very beautiful trading opportunity. I think that's at the moment we don't have anything this week on GDP AUD. Okay. The same thing with GDP NZD. In fact, both of them moved in correlation. This one was giving us a bat pattern of 0.886. Okay, this gave us a bat pattern of what? 0.886. GDP AUD moved on Friday. This guy moved on Thursday. So this guy moved before the other one. Okay, but this one I think we only achieved 0.618 final take profit level. Okay, for those who have larger accounts. For smaller accounts, 0.382, 0.5 is okay for your final take profit level. Okay, so it was a very successful trading opportunity as well on this GDP NZD. For now, we don't have anything at the moment. Okay, the price have established itself, but unfortunately, we don't have any harmonic pattern set up to be able to capitalize on this what on this move. So we don't have anything at the moment on this particular pair. So now, don't worry, we might have something this week for you guys. Unfortunately, the way price open up this week, we may not really have enough, but let's see what we can do before the end of this section. We might as well have something that we can, we can go home with. Okay, so we had an opportunity here, and it was a very sweet, successful trading opportunity right there. Now let's go to CHF Japanese here. Now for this particular trading opportunity, this trade is running. In fact, members of the community were able to catch this move for some of them. Okay, this was actually a bad. Initially we had a setup here, but unfortunately it didn't complete. Okay, um it was not a successful one. I think we had a crap pattern from this level to this level, but I didn't actually complete. Okay, but we have a very sweet setup right there on this particular pair. It's running at the moment. There is no entry. You can't enter right now because the price already at a high level. Except we're gonna wait for a retracement and then probably catch the move. But let's see what happens if price is already there, almost there. In fact, it's there already. Let's see what price we do from here. Okay, if we're gonna have a push to the downside, then you can start looking at for a pullback and then probably push the upside. So if you want to capitalize on this trade, you have to wait for a pullback. Right now, you cannot enter because price have already established to the upside. So it's a very valid setup of a bat pattern. Okay, and it's running very well. Um, Euro NZD, yeah. So we have a successful trading opportunity here on Euro NZ on Euro GDP. Okay, it was actually a butterfly pattern of 1.272 from this point to this point. Okay, no, this is 1.618. This is not butterfly, this should be crab. Sorry, this is crab. Yes, this is crab. Crab of what? 1.618. So it's we have achieved full take profit level here. But right now we're looking at this shark pattern. Okay, please approach this shark pattern with caution, because um we need to see if price is reacting from a very strong key level. Is this something that we need to look at for? We have a key level here that price is here to push down to. Okay, but then price have also gotten to this key level. Let's look at it from the daily. Do we have anything there? If you look at it from the daily, this is actually a good key level, but price is yet to push into this level. Then we're having this a kind of an order block, but we need to see this is this is a huge order block, a huge order block. You can see our price moved away from this level. This is a huge order block. But if you come down to the 4 hour time frame, we might start to look at the refinement of that order block based on price movement. Okay, so it's a valid order block, and then we're having this valid sharp pattern of 0.886. So this is one trading opportunity we are having right now. Okay, based on when you're watching this video. So this is one of the trading opportunity we are having right now. So look out for your entry. Wait for your entry. Wait for entry right now. Price is pushing down. Let's see if price is going to give us something like this. The price has pushed down, push a little bit up, let it come down, and then give us something like this. Then you can look for entry. So it's a valid setup, a very valid setup, a very valid setup. So let's see what price we do from here. Let's see what price we do from here. Let's see what price we do from here. So it's a valid setup right now. So I don't know when you're watching this video. Look at this. setup, look at Euro GDP, but you need to apply a lot of patience for Euro GDP because it does not move fast. It takes a lot of time. Look at when this trend was established. That was around 20th of January. This is when it's arriving here on 3rd of February. So you need a lot of patience. But then you may not really have to wait to this particular point in time to take your profit. Okay, you can actually exit at zero point 0.5. Okay, you can exit at zero point 0.5 from this A to D. From A to D, from A to D, 0.382 and zero point 0.5. Almost there too at this gap. At this gap, we have closed there. So that's around same Friday, 31st of January. That's when I've closed this trade. So let's see what happens here. Then for take profit level of this shark pattern, for take profit level of this shark pattern, let me just good. For take profit level of this sharp pattern, we're looking at 0.382, 0.5, 0.618 of C to D. Yes, of C to D. Looking at these points, let me include the price levels. We're looking at first April of 0.8362, 0.8362. For stop loss level, you can put your stop loss anywhere below 0.8294. Anywhere below, you can put your stop loss around that level. Then final take profit level should be at 0.8383 if you're looking at taking this position. So it's a very sweet setup, a very beautiful setup. Price is actually reacting from a daily key level of an order block. Okay, it's taking its time to digest the order on this order block to know which direction to move, whether to keep pushing up or to keep pushing down. Okay, so that is that. JPY, this trade is also running very smoothly and very well. Okay, this is an alternate bat. Price is also reacting from weekly key level. Let's look at that very well. Okay, you can see how price is reacting from weekly key level. Now, because of how market opened this week, it opened with a gap. You can see how this price is. It opened with a gap, meaning that it gapped from this point down here and still pushing a bullish candle. And look at it very well. This is a key level. Now, this key level was drawn in the future. Price came and reacted from here to tell you the importance of what we teach in our community. To tell you what we teach in our community is not we teach what works. If you watch any of our videos on this channel, you will see that what we teach works. Okay, price reacting from a key level. Okay, reacting from a very strong key level. Okay, and then we start to look out for harmonic patterns. We have a lot of couple of so many of them that didn't actually fit in, but this alternate bat of 1.13 actually fit into the category. Okay, look at it very well. 1.13 of this A to D of X to A. 1.13, we got an alternate bat, that is the alternate bat measurement. Okay, we got an alternate bat measurement already. There is an established order block here. Yes, there's an established order block here which price is likely to react from. Okay, and then what we have to wait for is to what? Wait for price to give us a reaction that is actually ready to do what? To go up. We're going to see a lot of consolidation, a lot of movement around this level, and then that is when we'll know that, oh, price is ready to push up, and then we have to capitalize on that. Okay, and then inside here also you look out for other blocks as well that will act as a catalyst to move the price to its intended direction. So that is a very good opportunity here on JPY. Right now, there is no entry at the moment because price have already gotten to 0.382. The first take profit level have been achieved, second take profit level have been achieved. In fact, this is a good time to close the trade. I don't know if I'm still, I don't know if I'm taking this trade. Let me look at it. So this is a good time to close the trade, and then if your trade has not closed, final take profit level is at 0.618. 0.618 final take profit level. So it depends on where you're looking at it from. It depends right at the moment there is no, like I said, there is no entry yet. You have to wait for pullback, probably pullback to this level. Okay, price. I know a lot of people were expecting price. Of course, it's normal. Trading is all about probability. Okay, A lot of people were expecting price to, fill this gap, continue to push down. Unfortunately, it was didn't work out that way. That is why we say trading is a probability game. It's a probability game. You cannot be 100% certain of what price will do. So that is why it's always good to have an open mind when you are trading the forex market. Anything can do what happen. Anything can happen. So just have an open mind for you to be able to profit from this industry. Okay. So right now, like I said, there is no entry at the moment. Price have we have achieved full take profit level. Let me look at it. I think I have beautiful. Euro card achieved take profit level have been achieved. Let me look at um I think I'm taking this trade on a pro firm account. I will look at that very well. I really want to see where I kept my TP. I think that's been hit by now. It has been hit by now. Cassie HF. For Cassie HF, this was a failed setup. Unfortunately, I don't know. Probably most people took a loss on this trade, or most people took um, went, closed at break even. So it depends on what really happened here. Most people at break even, most people at break even, and most people, close in a loss. So it was a very unsuccessful opportunity there, but it was price reacted, gave us reaction, and then fell to the downside. So I'm going to be removing this setup. Okay, I'm going to be removing this setup. Then, if you look at very, we can see that price actually reacted from a weekly key level as well. Okay, now if you go to that weekly key level, now I can see beautiful. So this is a key level as well. Price is pushing to this key level also, pushing to all these key levels. You can see we have a lot of key level to the upside. So now at the current level of price, we have price here then from. I checked out so many things. First of all, I looked at so many things. I looked at Cypher. It wasn't there. I looked at Cypher, it was not there. I looked at Butterfly. Let me see. I looked at Butterfly pattern. Think we didn't get that. Let me see. This is reacting from 1.618 beautiful, but unfortunately, um 618, except one of play that of 100%. If you look at this level, a good level here, 1.618, except one of play that of a crab, which you have to look at, but then the C to D leg is something that didn't actually interest me on this trading opportunity. I was not interested because of how rough the C to D leg is. Okay, very rough. We really want to see a C to D leg of. Let me just show you guys example. We want to see a C to D leg of something like this, straight up to the potential reversal zone, not something like this. We don't want to see something. We don't like trading something like this. I don't know, but like rough, then all of a sudden we don't like that. I like it straight up to the PRZ. Okay, as it comes straight to the PRZ, then that gives us a high probability setup. Okay, but then sometimes this type of setup used to play out as well. So at the end of the day, just look out for entry. But then no trade was executed on this setup. No trade was executed. It was actually a very fast one. I don't know if anybody caught it, but then at the end of the day, no trade was executed on that. Okay, AUD card. Now for this AUD card, this was a daily swing setup of a bat pattern. We only achieved 0.382 on this setup. I don't know if anyone is still holding this position. Okay, if you are still holding the position, you might as well consider your entry and look out for where price might react from. Price is reacting from a key level, a weekly key level. Price is reacting from a weekly key level of a support. So let's see what price will do here. Let's see what price will do here. Okay, let's see what price will do here. We have this push to the downside with that gapped up and then push all the way down. So let's see what price will do here. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna have a push to the upside or not. For now, we don't have anything at the moment on AUD card, so we don't have anything. So existing position, if you're still holding, I'll suggest you close. I'll suggest you close, and because right now the language that this price action is speaking is something that I don't really understand. So you have to stay off clear something that doesn't really, if price is moving a way that doesn't really make sense, you just have to stay off and wait for more reaction. But and if you look at this very well, I know we might have catch a cipher from this point, either from here. Sorry, let me just look at that very well. Need to look at it very well. Probably didn't even complete or something like that. Let me look at this very well. This is zero point 0.5, 0.5, 0.786, 0.886, 0.786 cipher. But can we be able to have a can we be able to have an extension of 1.13? Beautiful. So this was even a cipher pattern. Okay, from here to this point, this was a valid cipher pattern. Very valid, very valid cipher pattern. Sorry. I didn't actually, because I had other positions, so I didn't have the time to analyze the market, but this was a very valid and cipher pattern of 0.786. Okay. So you can see how I spotted that position right there. And then for entry, you look out for your entry as well. Look out for entry. You can see as price competed with that. This was even a gap on Sunday, on Friday. You can see Friday, then Monday it was a gap, and then price pushed all the way up. You can see that this was a kind of an order block. Look at that very well. Order block, not even a kind of stand, order block here. Buy to sell, order block, and then you can see what price is actually doing. But if you look at it very well, you can see that price didn't target, but then you can see we got a reaction from this 2 hour order block, and then price is right now. I think we've achieved. Let me look at it. This is cipher. We are looking at 0.382 and 0.618 as take profit levels. From this point to this point, we have zero point 0.5 full TP achieved. 0.618 is the final target around here on this particular trading scenario. But if we have a push to the upside, probably price might push to this other block around here before dropping down. So we look out for entry around that level. NZD card, we almost done. NZD can have a value shark pattern here. Right now, price have also achieved 0.382 and zero point 0.5. Let me look at that from this level. Good. We've achieved 0.382, we've achieved zero point 0.5, almost achieved 0.618. So I don't know if anybody is holding this position. You might as well consider closing your position. But let's see if price we're going to have room to the downside. If we're going to have enough room to the downside, then I'll be more than likely to look at for another pattern, kind of maybe a sharp pattern or so. So probably by next week we look at how price have developed. If we're going to have a push down to this point, okay, see if price can push all the way down here. Then we can look out for a sharp. By next week I'll review this trading opportunity to see what happens. Okay. For GU we have amazing opportunity here on GU. Okay. Beautiful. Price was able to achieve 0.618 and we got final take profit. After the final take profit level, price pushed to the upside. Beautiful trading opportunity here on it was a successful trading opportunity on GU. Okay, for this particular opportunity, you can see that already price have when we have an unmitigated order block, when we have an unmitigated order, probably on the higher time frame, say daily, 4 hour, even weekly time frame. Okay, now for this one, you can see that this was unmitigated order block plus fair value gap. Yes, it's very important. Include the fair value gap. You can see. So what we need to see is a reaction on that order block. If you see a reaction on that order block, let's see what price would do. Will price trade above the order block or will price respect the order block? It's very, very important. You can see price establish a secondary order block on that level. That was what really gave us confirmation that, oh, this guy is ready to drop to the downside. Okay, so it's a successful one. But we also have something on the daily time frame. Okay, This is a swing position at the daily time frame. A shark, we have not even achieved 0.38 of this shark. So right now, this is a swing position. I don't really take daily setup like that. Okay, I always come down to 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes to look at for smaller patterns in line with this established daily pattern. Let's say on the daily time frame, we have established a kind of a bearish harmonic pattern like this. All I need to do is to come down to, let's say it has started selling. Okay, all I need to do is to come down to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour to look out for pattern like this on the correction and then continue to sell to the downside. That's what I look at for. I don't really take most times I don't really take trade on lower time on daily time frame because it will take a lot of days for that to hit the profit level. So on a correction like this, you look out for harmonic pattern. But in this instance, there is no harmonic pattern. Okay, so that is what you look at for. Now AED USD, our beautiful trading opportunity here. It was actually a successful one. This is actually a very successful sharp pattern of 1.13 from this point, okay, to this point, 1.13. As we got that 1.13 text, price gave us a reaction to the upside. Already we have an established, I think we have an established order block here at this level. Let me look at that very well. Price have traded for a very long time, for a very, 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 very long time. Very, very long time. Okay, very long time. This is a very long drop. Very long drop. Now, if you look at this very, can see that this is an order block here plus fair value gap, but I don't really know which of the key level that price reacted from. But that was an established order block that for a very long time since 2020. Okay, for a very, very long time. I don't know if price reacted because it's a very long journey. Very, very long journey. Very, very long journey. But let's look at what happened here. I think price almost came to that level. Let's look at that very well. Yeah, it came there, tap into the other block and fair value gap, and then it's still dropping. Okay, it's still dropping, still dropping. But that was what happened here. Okay, now we have achieved full take profit level at 0.618. So 0. Let me look at that very well. This is a shark. So shark might have a 5-0. Beautiful. We might have a 5-0 pattern because if you look at this very well now, this is another entry, another sell entry on AED USD 5-0 pattern, but we'll have to wait for more confirmation. Okay, wait for more confirmation. Wait for more confirmation because this is a valid 5-0 pattern. Okay, because whenever we have a reaction from 0.61, 0.5, 0.618, we might have what a 5-0 pattern continuation to the downside. So let's see what happens. Okay, because right now we also have an order block here as well. We have an order block here. So if we're going to have, that means we need to have something like this. Then, so look out for that. So AD USD, look out for sell. Look out for sell on AD USD. Look out for sell. Right now, we have achieved full take profit level of 0.5. So if you're still holding this position, I will encourage you to close because we have achieved full take profit level. 0.5 is a sweet one on that level. US oil, we don't have any trade on US oil. Just want to show you guys how this successful daily setup was. Price is still dropping. US oil is still dropping, but it was a successful trading opportunity. Final take profit level at 0.618 was achieved. Beautiful. Okay. Since 3 days now, price has been there. One, two, three. Today make it day four. Price has been at 0.618, trying to digest all this imbalance and other block and all the rest of them to know which other direction. But it was a successful trading opportunity. Okay, we have other ones in the past. Successful trading opportunity. So I just want to, I actually it was on a profit account. I was able to capitalize on this. So it's a successful one. So right now we don't have any trading opportunity at this point in time. GDP card. Now for GDP card, yeah, GDP card has been back to back to back, back to back to back on GDP card. In fact, there was a time for a very long time we didn't have any opportunity on GDP card, but when it started there, it was giving us back to back pattern. We also had one here as well. If you check, I might even drop the link on this video. If you check the link, you'll see I did a review of this last trade we took. This is the last trade. I did a review on it. Now, we also have another opportunity again on GDP card, a bearish bat. Now, for this bearish bat, for this bearish bat, we I've really seen what I'm looking for. I've really seen what I'm looking for. So let's look at for entry. Look out for entry as price is pulling back. We look out for entry as price is what? As price is pulling back, look out for entry. Okay? Look out for entry as price is pulling back. You might look out for entry around anywhere around this level is okay. Anywhere around this level is okay for a sell. So let's see what price will do whenever it comes to this level. Okay? Yeah. So that's that. I've given you guys opportunity. I've given you guys opportunity on which pair was that? GDP NZD, oh no, Euro GDP, AUD USD, now GDP card. So these are opportunity you look out for. So we wait for price to pull back to probably to this point and then going to push down. So let's see what happens there. Okay. So Euro JPY. Unfortunately, this opportunity, this is another failed pattern. Okay, it was a losing position on this one. It's this particular opportunity established that was on Friday towards the end of trading opportunity last week. That was when this setup established. It gave us a nice reaction. Yes, it gave us some profits. Probably some might have closed on break even. Then price opened with a huge gap to the downside, so taking us out on that. So unfortunately, it didn't go well. So I'll be removing this setup right now. So, well, previously we had a setup on, yeah, this bat that it was a successful one, bat of 0.886. Let's look at that. Beautiful. See how price tested that 0.886 and we got a reversal. That is how powerful our strategy is. So GJ, yeah, the brother of Euro JPY, which is GJ, we have opportunity here. Price is moving fine. Right now, I think we have achieved full take profit level. If you're holding this position, I encourage you to also close. For GJ, we've achieved full take profit level. I don't know if anybody is taking this trade and you're watching this video, please, I encourage you to close your position because we've achieved full take profit level on this particular trading scenario. Okay. Yeah, we had an order block here. This is an order block. Okay, I don't know if it is visible on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, it was mitigated on the 2 hour time frame. It was also mitigated, but it was actually valid. But then on top of that, we have a weekly key level. Most importantly, weekly what key level. This is where the weekly key level was here. Let's adjust this a little bit. This is the key level. Okay. Yes. And then we'll have this other block mitigated and price reacted from there. Okay, you can see beautiful, beautiful trading opportunity right there. Okay, beautiful trading opportunity right there on GG. Are you enjoying the strategy? Are you enjoying this video? Please like now. Like the video, like the video, like this video, like this video, subscribe. I will appreciate your support. That is the only thing I need from you. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. I'm not asking you for anything. I'm not asking you for money. I'm not asking you for anything. Just as you're watching this video, you have watched this video to this point in time. You're not a subscriber. Please subscribe, like the video, help the channel to grow. Okay, I will really appreciate that. You can see how the strategy is giving us clean, sweet positions, and everything is moving fine. Everything is moving very fine. So I think we also had something here in the past. I don't know if I look at from here. Let's see. Okay, it did not complete. In fact, it missed with a kind of few pips. Um, few pips. The pattern didn't complete. I think it was a setup we had. Yeah, it didn't complete, but we're supposed to test this place to be crap, but we didn't get that. So I think I reviewed that was last week also. I reviewed that. So for this GJ, we have achieved full take profit level at 0.5, 0.618, 0.618. Beautiful. So if you are buying from here, if you are buying from here, stop loss, your stop loss level, you enter. I think you have gotten your entry around this level. Stop loss around here. Beautiful, beautiful 3% on this trade. Beautiful one. Beautiful one. Based on when this trend is establishing, today is being 3rd of February. There's possibility that price will trade from here to the 28th of February. There's possibility that price will continue in this trend. Most of the most of the pattern that is establishing now this first week of the month, don't be surprised that they are going to trade in this direction to the end of the month. I'm telling you, more especially for USD press, more especially for USD pairs. This thing I'm telling you now, don't joke with it. Don't joke with it. It happens, and that is what it takes. It happens. Like for instance, now let's look at this guy. Now, when was this? This was one 5th of what August, first week of August. That was when this trend established. What happened? Price traded to when? To where? 26th of August, 27th, 28th, to what? August, September. Okay, September. What happened here? 25th of September, towards the end of September or September, October. 2nd of October, a trend established. First week of October. You can see that throughout the period of September, it was a range. After this trend, a range happened at September. October, first week of October, a trend established itself. What happened after that trend established on the first week? It traded in that direction, right? Throughout the end of what? October. Then November, we had a little consolidation. Then the trend was not clean, but price continued in that direction. Okay, first week price continued in that direction. Then November, throughout November, okay, December as well. 6th of December, what happened? Price continued in that direction. Now January, you can see what is happening here on January. Now this is January. This is 3rd of February. You can see 3rd of February. So don't be surprised that price might continue to push all the way down throughout this month of February, probably to this point in time. So that is what I need to let you guys know. I think you're seeing all this one are clean. This one, nothing is hidden. So whenever a trend is established at the first week of the month, there is possibility that price will continue to trade in that direction throughout the what? The month. So that is just that. That is just that. We are done. What is left now is USD CHF. USD CHF. This is a daily setup. Okay, so I don't really take, like I told you guys, I don't really take daily setup. USD CHF, I don't really take daily setup because of the fact that there are so many time I have to hold this trade for a very long time, and I don't have that time. I need to take other trade. Okay, so I don't really take daily setup, but it's actually a very beautiful one, and I think this was an order block that was unmitigated. Yes, we had that shark on it. This is a good pattern. You have taken this cipher pattern, beautiful one. For now, what we can look at for is to, if you're on the trade, you can move your stop loss to break even, take partial profit, but you can put an alert here. We don't want price to trade above this level. If price trade above this level, this is a good order block. Price should react from. Should react from. Okay, this is a good order block. Price should do what? Should react from to continue the push to the downside. We need to establish. We need price to establish. This was what, 3rd of February, the same thing. So we need price to establish something like this. Okay, this is a trend, right? So now for your re-entry, You can look out for, let's see something, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, good. You can look out for, you can look out for entry around this level. Look out for entry around this level. Okay, look out for entry. Price might likely take out this high, then tap into this other block. So look out for sell from this level. Look out for sell from that level. So last one or second to the last one. This is USD Japanese yen. In fact, had it mean I did this video on time, you guys should have caught this trade right now. But I had issue with my equipment. That was why the video came out very late. But then you can see that we have this shark pattern also. Okay, and if you look at it from the daily time frame, you can see that this thing is occurring at a support trend line. You can see it's occurring at what, a support on trend line plus what, a daily, what, a weekly, and a price already tapped into this weekly key level of support. Okay, let me push this a little bit up. I don't want to delete you. Push a little bit up here. Okay, good. Yeah, so price came to that level of support. Okay, mitigating this daily OB, which is daily order block. Give us multiple reaction. Day one, day two, for how many days? One, two, three, four, five, 6 days. Don't be surprised that price is ready to take out these highs. Price might be ready to take out these highs as liquidity. That's what called trend line liquidity. Okay, like I told you guys, we trade harmonic and smart money concept. Price might likely take out those highs as well. Trend line liquidity, if it does, because how many days consolidation at this level? You're going to take out those highs. If it takes out those highs, it's going to tap into that other block. Might sell again. Might sell. It might sell from here. And this will take a lot of time. So we need to take out this high, then tap into this other block. So if you're on the buy, your target should be this place. Now, of course, that should be around this is shark, so that should be around 0.886. Let me look at that from C to D leg, take profit level. I'm not expecting a 5-0 from this level. 5-0 should be at 0.5. I'm not expecting that. I'm not expecting that. 0.886, yes, around this place. So final take profit level 0.886. So if you are actually on this trade right now, let me open this guy. So you should be looking at to take out this is USD Japanese yen. You should be looking at to take out position, take out profit around 0.382. So that is it. So the final trade we had is BTC. I've closed this trade already. Yes, I've closed the trade already. So this is around 0.618 final take profit level. I know that price might BTC might push all the way up to this other block, but I closed already. 0.618 I closed. Okay, final take profit I closed. Now, what is happening here is that it was and it's actually a solid um trading opportunity we had in the past and also in the present. Now you can see that the trading strategy we are using can work in anything. You can see we had opportunity on BTC. If you open other cryptocurrency pairs, you might have opportunity on them. Okay, so stocks, forex, cryptocurrency, you know, derivative, provided that you can be able to analyze the trade anywhere, even on synthetics as well. The reef synthesis, how many patterns works there, beautiful. So strategy with trade works anywhere. Combined with technical analysis, smart money concept, order block imbalance, and key levels as well. So it's all round trading knowledge which we teach in our community. So this will bring us to the end of this market review. We've reviewed some couple of pairs and I've given you guys opportunity on Euro GDP, AUD USD. Um, I think there's another one I gave you guys opportunity again, either USD Japanese yen, USD CHF. Yes, USD Japanese yen, USD CHF. These are the opportunities I want you guys to look out for. Look out for trading opportunities on those pairs. For these ones, they have already achieved full take profit levels and we've closed. So we are going to review again by next week. Where we'll review these opportunities and see if we're going to see another opportunity. So this will bring us to the end of this market review. So I love you guys and I love you guys. And as I said, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please you are not actually doing it good. Please just subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'm not asking you for any other thing. Subscribe and like the video. I love you and I wish you all the best. This will be all for now. See you guys by next week. Have a wonderful and amazing trading opportunity. Till then, bye for now.